exercises that my OT told me and the therapist told me what to do. So I'm going to show you the exercises that I know, and some also the exercises that I'm going to do is a combination of what I've learned in the past dealing with my body. But today I will try to follow along with the assignment. So this is my assignment. So I need to have this water. This is the one. So I have to do something. Before I start with this kind of exercise, so strengthening, so I can fix the left side of my body from being weak. You know, a stroke is not easy, so we have to do our best to recover. So this is the one. I have to do this for like 15 times. So we can start with this one. A little bit high.
Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Smile and laugh, let loose and free. Happy bodies, happy me. Line up side to side, let's groove together. Take that ride. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. So come on now, don't be shy. Let's get moving, you and I. Together we're wild and carefree. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Let's keep it fun, let's keep it bright. Moving and grooving day and night. Happy hearts, oh what a choice.
Let's get moving. Let's get moving. Hey there, let's shake it up. Feel the rhythm, give it a pop. Wiggle and waggle, twist and shout. Let's get moving inside and out. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Bend and stretch, reach for the sky. Twirl and spin, let's fly high. Pop your hands off your feet. Feel the groove, happy beat. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Bend and stretch, reach for the sky. Twirl and spin, let's fly high. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the groove, can't be beat. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Squats and lunges, strong and bold. Feel the energy, young and old. Shake your booty, spin around. Let's dance together, joy unbound. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Smile and laugh, let loose and free. Happy bodies, happy me. Line up, side to side. Let's groove together, take that ride. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. So come on now, don't be shy. Let's get moving, you and I. Wave your arms, spin with glee. Together we're wild and carefree. Move your body, feel the beat. Stronger muscles, head to feet. Jump and jive, dance and play. Happy vibes every day. Let's keep it fun, let's keep it bright. Moving and grooving day and night. Together we shine. let's make some noise. Happy hearts, so what a choice. Let's get moving.
Hey there friend, let's start to groove. Stretch your arms, get in the mood. Twist and turn, shake off the stress. Feel that energy, give it your best. Get moving, feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. With every move, you want more. Time to pick up, let's go, go, go. Squats and lunges, steal the show. Reach for the sky, shoulders high. Circles and strokes, such a spirit fly. Get moving and feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. With every move, you want more. Hips so light, let's make them sway. Side to side, dance the day away. Knees down low, let's get it right. Bend and lift, feel the power ignite. Stretch it out one last time. Release the tension, feel sublime. Let the burn pay body and mind. Rain of rest, leave worries behind. Back and movement, feel that beat. Stronger muscles from head to feet. Jump and sway, let's hit the floor. Every move, you want more. You've got the strength, you've got the drive. Keep on pushing, feel alive. Every step, a victory glide. Your body's changing, eternal shine. Let me know if you got any tweaks or changes. Search, organize. Conquer, Fulfin.
Soap Recovery Grove.
I need to move these shoulders.
Can you move and shake it? I need to move my hand. Reaching high, reaching wide. Oh, I say you need to stretch my body, pulling up a rubber band. Oh, so steady. Let my body dance to the rhythm of a brand new world.
Gotta keep moving, do the best I can. Oh, I'll be sitting time until I get stronger, take a firmer stand. Working hard day by day, regaining my strength in every way. Shoulders rolling, hands are swinging, body bending.
Thank you for watching, and thank you guys for your comments and prayer. I appreciate it very much. And don't forget to stay with me on this channel. Always take time to click the notifications, so the next time I upload, you could also be with me. And in this short video clip of exercises, I put 3 songs, exercise songs. Maybe I will be arranging that into an album later on, but for the moment it's just running in the background. So I hope you enjoy that, and thank you guys. See you on my next video.
Gonna dance around this